YouTube run. Okay. Cool, I'm live. Alright, so after eating some food and having some time to think about how to tackle this problem, I've made some decent headway. I haven't compiled anything yet, but I've definitely made some headway. So, okay, here's, yeah, oh man. I'm just gonna keep working though, because if I stop to explain what I'm doing here, I'm gonna lose my train of thought, and I don't want to lose my train of thought. So let's see here. Invoked by. Let's see here, underscore. Okay, deposits. Argument 0 is spice by determines which variable to change in OBJ barrels. Argument 1 is OBJ underscore pop up dot w1 determines how much to change that variable. Okay, underscore spice. No. Or spice equals switch. Oh wait. Think about this for a second. Yeah, okay. It doesn't return anything because it can't return anything. I don't know what to return it to. So yeah, we'll just do this. Alright, so switch underscore spice. Yeah, that's it actually. So let's just copy and paste that a bunch of times. Yep. Which means I won't be able to do any ascending, descending sorts later on. But I don't think I'll have to. Yeah. Oh, shit. I accidentally closed my chat. There we go. Okay, so let's say you have a list, my barrels, where item 0 is always rosemary. Okay. You don't need to do a switch of the spice you're altering. You could, in theory, just do my barrels. Oh, hi Pig. Just do my barrels argument 0 plus e. Well, okay, so let me show you OBJ my barrels. Where is it? Yeah, so here's OBJ my barrels. Basically, I've got these quantities in the create that start out at 0, and then I have a grid, and the first 17 values of the grid represent the numbers, like the quantities that I have here. And then I have an event saying, hey, whatever these values were, stuff them in that grid. So you're saying I should just... Okay. Just update my DS grid directly. So instead of having... right. Okay, this next part is, this next question is maybe silly, but does that mean that the integer variables like rosemary, paprika, that I set up in the create go unused the rest of the game? What you're using DS grids for? Inventory management on both barrels. Yeah, you basically don't need the variables if you're using grid or list. I mean, okay. I'll change the DS grid directly then, because yeah, that saves me a lot of trouble, a lot of hassle. Yeah, that's. Okay. Alright, we'll do that then. So we have this event for that, but we're just gonna also do it directly. So, whoops, that's my ship. Alright, so, oh god, where were we? So, we don't even need this script, I think. Yeah, we don't even need this script. Let's delete it. And then here, what we do is we go ds grid set obj underscore my barrels. What is this thing? Just my barrels. Okay, that's funny. Obj underscore my barrels dot my barrels. Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay. Also, since you have those macros set up, rows equals 0, you can just do like, yeah, exactly. So, do you use DS grids to know what item is in every slot of your inventory? Yeah. It's like a part number system. Problem is just make sure you're grabbing the correct item or setting the right one. And the problem is I don't actually know why you're using a grid system. I assume there's a reason. Yeah, the DS grid has a built-in sum and average function. The sum function in particular is very useful. They're also easier to understand. Personally, in my opinion. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so DS grid set obj barrels my barrels. The X value is So the X value is going to be 0, and the Y value is going to be G dot spice to buy. List if you have only one dimension of. But like, are you adding up all the items in the grid then? To determine how much space I have left in the boat, I have to sum all barrels. Better question, why use a grid instead of a list if you have only one dimension? These values, yeah. List is okay, but just doesn't have enough. Just isn't suited for integer only data. Like a DS grid is. Although you can stick a string in a DS grid just fine, but and I do, but just hold on a second. Oh, right. And then, oops. Huh. This is an interesting one. What if I'm buying more barrels? Alright, I have to set up a bar temp barrel equals DS grid get obj underscore my barrels dot my barrels 0 G dot spice. Okay. So we're adding temp barrels, which could be 0, plus obj underscore input cache dot print number. And I realize in obj underscore dot or underscore input cache, I realize this is a bad name for an object. Because now it's doing more than just inputting cache, it's now inputting barrels. So I'm sorry. I don't know. I just didn't want... I thought input cache was specific enough and short enough of a name. And I realized cache is maybe too specific, but oh well. Non-gay certificate? What? Okay, so it is, but it doesn't really matter. I just would have did a loop to sum it up, or made a script to do it, and call it. I need help to find a non-gay certificate. Sorry. All my certifications are gay. Okay, but hey, languages, how's it going? It's kind of a weird line of questioning there. A weird thing to start out with. So I think this is good. In case if I'm adding to barrels already on, whoops. I'll just put this on its own line. I just realized is I may have to like write in. Okay, so in case if I'm adding to barrels I already own. Add to ship's barrels. Alright, so okay. So subtract quantity from the market, grid, my grid, and we'll update that later. Also, Cass, if you have the variables as well as the grid, that's two places you'd have to update all the time. That would be annoying. It's 12 p.m. right here, so I'll go soon. Okay, pig, no problem. Yeah, lunchtime. For pig. Kitty. And yeah, I don't want to have to manage two different variables. Or totally. Late night snack time. Alright, so... okay, so we have a problem here. So in case I'm adding to barrels I already own, alright, so if we need to do another if here. Temp barrels plus current barrels? Actually, G dot. Current barrels. Oh, it's not. No. It's not temp barrels. It's actually obj underscore input cache dot print number. Those two things are greater than G dot max barrels. Well, really, let's just do this. If those two things are less than, then go ahead and do that. Just let the soothing voice of Cass put you to sleep. Sure. Not soothing. Okay, so, yeah, so if this, then do this. I mean, else. I guess less than or equal to. That's fine. Show debug. Well, I don't really want to show debug message. No, I'm on my iPad, and I wanted him to charge himself, you know, after a long, to get him to sleep a long time. Can you do a little gameplay, please? Okay, sure. Here, let's just do that. I think we can run this and not have any problems. I'm not 100% sure on that, but we'll see. Okay, so we've got rosemary, paprika, blah, blah, blah. So there's, of available to buy, there's 139 rosemary at 12. That's a great deal, so I want to buy that. But I can't because we haven't programmed that in yet. That's fine. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. There's some gameplay for you. Right now, I'm trying to program the buy and sell buttons, but that's pretty involved. Download what? Alright, so anyways, else, we need to undo what we just did. Actually, you know what? It's not that we need to, it's not necessarily that we need to undo what we just did, but we do need to change the order of operations here. So oh no. Okay. So at the very least, we need this thing up at the top. How many barrels do I already have? Okay. We'll ask that question up there. And then we're gonna cut this. Oops. Paste it here. And ask the question, do I have enough space on my boat? So if I do, then we're gonna do, that, or say that. We're gonna do this, else, So, how many barrels do I already have? I have this many barrels. Do I have enough space on my boat? So, input cache plus current barrels, which is like all of the barrels on the boat. And as long as that's less than the maximum capacity, prepare your booty. I mean mine, sorry, typo. Today I saw a movie, so before I wanted to play at a VR zone. Man, it's really terrifying but fun when you think of the big VR zone? Okay, so, oh, the music's over. That's a bummer. This is a good song, but it's a little too intense. Let's just do that, I guess. Kind of getting bored of that chill hop stuff, to be honest. Yeah, let's do this one, Rainy Man. Cool. Okay. Alright, so... Yeah, it's like you pay for a little time with the game, you jump a building with a cake. Okay, the first part of that made sense. Jump a building with a cake. Okay, so yeah, do those two things. So we subtract that, and we subtract quantity, and then add quantity to the boat, or to the ship, whatever. Okay, and then else. God, I kind of do want something else to happen. You know what? As a matter of convenience, I don't... You know, I think I'm going about this wrong, actually. Let's do this. So, let's go back and say this. So if these things are greater than max barrels, then what we're going to do is just change input numbers, or the print number. We're just going to make it a smaller number. So, okay, I'm starting to get tired of typing in obj underscore input cache dot print number, so I'm just going to do var num equals obj underscore input cache dot print number. There. Okay, so now every time I see that, I can just say num. Okay. Well, I've just created a pointer though. Well, not a pointer, I've created a temporary number. I'm not actually changing that. But I do want to change that. No, I think this is fine. This will be fine. Num minus equals. Come on, Cass. You jumped a building with a cake. I know, but I'm the only one who threw the cake away. Come on, Cass. You jumped a building with a cake. If you want to be rich, you need to make a fidgety, spinity simulator 2017 and all the kids will buy it. No. Like walk on a plank, and at the end there's a cake. Alright, time for me to run. Good luck, Cass. Don't let any of these jerks tell you you're making it too complicated. You do you, man. Okay, thanks, Mark. Yeah, okay, so num minus equals. Now I'm sort of second guessing myself here. Alright, so num minus equals, so we need to make num smaller. And it's going to be num plus g dot barrels. Minus G dot. Max barrels. I think that logic works out. Oops. Damn, son, I look gay. Not sure what to do. What to say to that. Okay, well. That's your thing. Every time someone says he's doing something, I think of a pig doing that. So, running pig, what the fuck I think of? Pig, I think you need sleep. That sentence barely made any sense. Okay, so okay, there we go. Yeah, actually, I can't use a local variable here. Because print number is constantly being displayed, and so I need to directly change it rather than change a reference to it, unfortunately. Which means that I just need to do this and do this. Yeah. Do this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, whoops. And then do this. Not right, I'm doing stuff, but you know me as someone who thinks things like that, right? I guess? But you know me as someone who thinks things like that, right? Say that I know you well enough to know what type of things you think about. Big. Nasty reads my messages, he thinks like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? And he doesn't know what to type to me. Hey, that's fine. Leg juice. Okay, so, Yeah, so I think we're good. It's subtract quantity from grid. Okay, and then value 1 is equal to yeah, okay. Spice to buy, right. Yes, for get. Okay, yeah. And then yeah, okay. Update numbers, update input cache, print number. We don't have any panels to update. So I think we're fine here. I think we can just kill that. All done with buy barrels. God, I think this is so many moving parts just for one transaction. Whoops. Okay. This is a lot of shit going on. So bear with me while I figure this out. We're about to hook it up. I started really small and basic. I've put like I started back in last November, I want to say, maybe October. Oops. So almost a year now, I guess. Yeah, I learn new things on this stream all the time. Okay, so anyways, right, time to hook it all up. Gotta hook it all up. So there's SCR by barrel. Right, okay. This script, invoked by obj button by, takes y start to determine which spice to buy. And then we do a stack push saying we're gonna buy a barrel. So when it's time to buy a barrel, we're gonna run this script, we're gonna send which spice we're buying to that. Which I guess, since this is global, we probably don't even really need this, but whatever. So now that's argument 0. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay, this, buy spice, da 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 da. Okay, and then we're gonna turn on the input cache visible true. Okay, yeah, let's plug this shit in. So scr underscore buy barrel. Button buy, my action equals God. Alright. God help us. Here we go. Big, you can encourage people like cyanide. I don't know what a cyanide is. Do you need cyanide? Like with an A? I think it's very encouraging. I look forward to seeing Pig every day. Where is it? There's a pig in here somewhere. Pig? Yeah, there it is. Okay, fuck, let's try it, I guess. I'm expecting this to crash because there's just so much stuff going on here. Let's go full screen for this spectacular crash. Alright, I want to buy rosemary. Huh. Oh, that crashed. Okay. That's fine. It didn't immediately crash, but our grid is on the wrong depth. Or is that the wrong depth? So let's do this, turn that off. Boxes, market grid. Okay, I need to move this. Oh, come off that. There we go. Okay, I think that'll work a little bit better. Let's try that out. Yeah, I saw that too. Not sure how it's getting... I don't know how that's getting fuzzy because... Pretty sure I have the anti-aliasing turned off. But yeah, the shadow is a little fuzzy. Actually, yeah, it's a little... Man, that's bumming me out. Okay, so... Oh, whoops. These are in the way. Also, that's way off alignment. Wait. No, there's not 100 at port. There's 139 at port. Also, these are in the way. Okay, there's a lot. Obviously, there's a lot I need to do here. Manual finance OBJ panel. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, that's because there is no OBJ panel. Okay, so I need to change the game state here. Game states. So under by barrel. Whoops. With OBJ underscore parent column title visible equals false. Let's just we'll do this one thing at a time. So the first thing I need to do is disable those crawls. $139. But it's only one frame? It's only one frame, so... Let me think about this for a second. Right. If instance exists, parent column title. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm thinking of how to solve this problem. And thinking involves a lot of not doing anything while you're thinking about it. It's kind of a problem with streaming programming in general, is because you have to like think through your problems, right? Like you're not just a programming machine unless you're like super good, which I'm not. So man, what? I mean, there's another way I could cheat this, actually. So, here's what we do. Instead of doing this, instead of doing that, what we could do parent column title step. Okay. All right, yeah, how about this one? So if obj underscore input cache dot visible is equal to true. Visible equals false. Yeah, here we go. I think this will work. Okay, and then when we do this, yeah, alright, now it's gone. Why is this way off alignment, though? 67. Cool, okay. Oh shit, and then these need to... man. Okay, I have to... Okay, yeah, abort. You know what, but instead of input cache though, let's use obj underscore darken. And you know what, we're gonna do the same thing for our buy and sell buttons. So step event of this object. Yeah. That way, so now when we run this, okay, so we got these buttons here. And it's time to buy... That is not correct. 139. I mean, the math is correct, but... Oh, I know why this is off alignment. It's because my draw set alignment is not set properly for this text. Okay, so solve that riddle. But, oh god, okay. So many things to fix. Okay, so, but most disconcerting though is that when I'm clicking somewhere, I'm not getting the right slot, I think. So we have a lot of things to fix here. So, bank. Pop-up, which no longer applies to banks. Hold on a second, I gotta go to the bathroom. Try to sleep and bye. Hope to see you tomorrow. Yeah, you too, pig. Okay, so first thing I'm going to fix is this title thing. So draw set font, but also draw set H-align to FA. There we go. That should fix that. Let's just double check that though, just to be sure. $58. 14, 29, 58. Okay. Oh, and I bought it all. Okay, that's cool. Wait, so yeah, buy spice. You know, I bet you we could do better. Okay, we could do, instead of buy spice, we could actually be a little bit more specific, I think. I'm gonna pop out this pop up and put it in the root, I guess, since it no longer deserves to be exclusive to the bank. And then mark the barrel spice to buy. So we're gonna say buy plus string. Actually, no, it's not. It's already a string. DS get, no, DS grid get, and then obj underscore m market grid dot my grid 0, and then spice. Yeah, okay. That should help, you know, be more specific, which is good. Alright, we need to look at obj pop-up though, because it seems to be making a hold on, so what's there? Mouse event for left press for parent button. Oh no, cancel pop. Script cancel pop. Okay, so scripts cancel pop. Huh? Alright, let's just do this then. So, if instance exists, obj underscore panel. If instance exists, do that. And if it doesn't, then we're not going to do it. Alright, so I think that solves that problem. Okay, Rosemary, there's 139. At port 100. What could it be talking about? Cane sugar? Did I just buy up all the cane sugar? Also, I just realized just now that I just bought all the cane sugar and I bought it for free. So hold on, what's 67? That's not the right slot at all. Buy pepper? Wait, so up here, buy cane sugar? Buy pepper? Pepper is over here. That thing's not right at all. Buy turmeric? By garlic? Okay. Wait a minute. So, cane sugar. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pepper. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weird, it's off by 5. Turmeric, which comes after pepper. Okay. Garlic, which comes after turmeric. Okay, well, I mean, at least it's consistent by how much it's wrong, so there's that. I don't know why. That's a little weird, but I guess we'll go with that. So, bar this spice, floor this spice, plus 5. Run that. I am super curious to see how the hell this works. Like, by salt. Oh, minus 5. So I guess minus 5? Yeah, my bad. Whoops. Buy rosemary. Holy crap. Buy paprika. Okay. Buy basil. Buy thyme. Well, it works. That's really weird. Okay, so I totally forgot one critical thing, which is that you need to pay for stuff. Which means value to... Oh, man. I have space for only 2 values that I can label, and I spent them both on barrels. How much space do I have left? Maybe I've got more. How much vanilla? Okay, that works. That all works. Ah, mustard seed, you're too big. Okay, I'm gonna think about this for a bit, but I gotta go off stream, guys. Guys, IGTG. Thanks for watching.